Hi, my name is Darlene, broker owner at Remax Titanium in beautiful sunny Florida. Wanted to share this beautiful listing with all of you in a little town called Leesburg in the Plantation. This is the Magnolia Point village. There's many villages here, many amenities here. Pickleball, bocce ball, golf, little restaurant, tons and tons of amenities here. It is an adorable little community, and they have several different subdivisions called villages. So this is the Magnolia Point village, and it's one of the first villages as you enter in the security guarded gate. That is a major plus because you have man gating all the time to get into the neighborhood. So as you can see, we have very mature trees, beautiful landscaping, and we're gonna enter into a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And this home needs some TLC. It's probably one of the cheapest listings in the neighborhood because it does need some TLC. But the great news is it's getting a brand new roof any day. So that will be a big help. So you do have your formal dining room and living room. Then you also have a pass-through counter for your eat-in kitchen area. And then over here you have beautiful dishwasher, stainless steel dishwasher. You have a pantry, stainless steel refrigerator, Whirlpool, microwave. And this is all tile in here. The house does have carpeting throughout that you can replace easily. They also have a laundry room, which is totally separate. And it also has a 2-car garage with the tandem area. So you have lots of extra area for your golf carts, because this is a golf cart community. So like I said, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Over here you have 1 bedroom with a nice sized closet with a linen closet. And then you also have your bathroom here. So you can make this beautiful little home any way you want to, because you get to put your own little touch into it. And then you also have this bedroom. Lots of light. You have a little patio on the back, and then this is all enclosed. In here, nice high doors. And then you can enter in through the family room where we were earlier, or you can also enter through the primary bedroom, which is where we're gonna go right now. Nice high vaulted ceilings in here, and then this would be your primary bathroom, big shower and commode, and then you have this humongous closet. You also have double sinks in here. So again, Remax Titanium, please call us at 352-241-6363. Barry Summers is the listing agent on it, so please ask for him if you want to see this beautiful listing in Leesburg, Florida. Thank you.